Sompasauna is a grassroots sauna sanctuary where the rules are few, the steam is real, and the Baltic breeze hits different. Unlike Helsinki's polished spa complexes, Sompasauna is raw, unfiltered, and entirely built by volunteers. Tucked on the industrial shoreline of Sompasaari, east of the city centre, this free public sauna has no ticket counter, no lifeguards, and no pretensions. Just 2 or 3 hand-built wooden sauna cabins, a cold sea for swimming, and the kind of community spirit that makes you believe in humanity again. It all started in 2011, when a group of friends built a DIY sauna on a former harbour lot as an act of urban rebellion and sauna devotion. The original structure was removed by city officials, but the sauna returned again and again, rebuilt each time with more care and support. Today, it's an open-access, 24/7 experience powered by donations, firewood runs, and goodwill. There are no employees, only volunteers. You bring your own towel, your own water, your own respect. Phones are rare. Silence is common. Clothing is optional. The atmosphere is welcoming but not curated. People of all backgrounds and nationalities sit shoulder to shoulder in the heat, then jump into the Baltic, icy in winter, refreshing in summer. The experience is primal and bonding, stripped of all luxury, and all the better for it. The saunas themselves are simple wooden rooms with roaring stoves, usually fueled by volunteers chopping and hauling logs. You'll often find someone throwing water on the rocks, someone reading quietly, someone sharing stories by the fire. At night, the whole scene glows under lantern light and the skyline of Helsinki across the bay. Sompasauna isn't about facilities, it's about feeling. The warmth of strangers, the rhythm of sea and sweat, the silence between waves. It's a radical invitation to slow down and just exist, as you are, as we are together. Come with curiosity, leave with salt on your skin, smoke in your hair, and something you didn't know you were missing.